Welcome, please enjoy this property tour. When finished you may contact Dave Wiley for more details and appointment to preview. Undeveloped 6,000 feet Tier 3 canal front land in desirable breeze-swept beach estates community. Coral reef snorkeling, diving and world-class fishing minutes away by boat, and the nightlife of Key West nearby. Adjacent Lot 8 is available for sale, MLS 584,111, with active building permit. Buy both and install your new 3-bed/2-bath modular home this fall on 12,000 feet lot. Voluntary HOA www.bbca.org and Facebook group page.